I remember that in Mexico we used to say like, al nopal solo se le arriman cuando tiene tunas, means that some people only be close to other ones when they have something to get. So it's not very nice because in this case, nopal, the plant, is beautiful, so you always have to take care of them, not only when they give you something.
Oh, okay, so you mean people only come close to you because you have something beautiful to have,
yes.
like where they wanted to get something from you.
Yes, exactly.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, it's difficult to explain this one in English because there are two words that they normally call in different way. Like nopal, everybody knows that it's cactus, but tuna is the fruit from this plant. And the funny thing is that my Spanish colleague, they knew some of the words, but not all the words, no? Like nopal and tuna, because in Spain they call higo chumbo, and we call tuna. And then they normally talk about cactus, but for us we are different cactus, and one of them is nopal. So I have to explain and to talk about that, but it's a good excuse to exchange ideas, to talk.